Assalamualaikum and very good day to everyone, especially our lecturer Encik Muhammad Faiz bin Wahid and Dr. Ikhwan Ghazali. So today, our group want to present project Jig and Fixture design. Over the past century, manufacturing sector plays a significant role in economic growth of a country. Jig and fixture are industrial devices are used to facilitate production work, particularly when machines are involved. The general factor to be considered when designing jig and fixture are shape, material, and state of work part, pre-machine surface, tolerance, types of operation, and the workpiece handling. The difference between jig and fixtures are: jig is a work holding device that holds, support, and locate the workpiece and guide the cutting tool for a specific operation, while the fixture does not guide the cutting tool. Apart from that, in this project, we are choosing part 3 workpiece to design our own jig and fixture tool, and by using the channel jig type. The objective of this project is to study the fundamental and importance of jig in the manufacturing industry, to evaluate the suitable types of jig for the selected workpiece in order to facilitate work handling. Third, to investigate the important aspect in designing process of the type of jig, and to propose the designs of jig and fixture for choosing part 3 to support a specific manufacturing operation, and their scope, analyzing part drawing and specification for operation. Next, brainstorming and discussion on the type of selected jig, designing and assembly. Last, simulation of the jig and fixture with the workpiece.
I want to talk about locating and supporting method. There are locator, supporter and clamping used in this project. For locator, we use adjustable support locator. For supporter, we use supporter pins, and for clamping, we use lever clamp and screw clamp. Locator is locating element that prevent the part from moving in a horizontal direction. Supporter prevent downward movement as well as the rotation around the horizontal axis. Okay, clamping. Clamping is a device that keeps and holds the workpiece in the correct relative position during the machine.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Azamuddin bin Ahdin. I will continue our group presentation. I will present about the initial design of our jigs and fixture project. Now, as you can see on the screen, is the early design for our group of channel jigs from hand sketching. From the initial design, there are only 6 components, which is body part, clamp, drill bushing, pin locator, and also pin supporter. However, after getting views from lecturer and also various ideas from us, we have made many changes to the design for the channel jigs. Therefore, the next presenter will explain in more detail about the final design.
Hi, my name is Weldon Anaendri. For my point, I'm going to present to you about our final tool drawing for our final project. Jig assembly drawing. The first picture shows about the final assembly drawing by using SolidWorks software, and the second picture shows about the exploded view with bill of material. For our jig part drawing, it is content of 30 part component such as base test clamp, drilling bushing 1, M16 wing nut, rivet, C-base, drilling bushing 2, M-nut 8, rod, C-frame, lever, nut M10, table of jig, C-pad, link, pin locator 1, table leg, channel jig body 1, M75, bolt, pin locator 2, washer M8, channel body 2, M8 bolt, pin 1, washer M10, clamp bushing 1, M10 bolt, pin 2, clamp bushing 2, M16 thumb screw, and the lastly is pin 3. Next is our assembly jig with workpiece. The first picture represents about top view for our final assembly project. Second is isometric view. Third, front view, and the last one is right view. Thank you.
Now, I will show you how our channel jigs works. First step, down and lower both adjustable locator pins. Next, put the workpiece into the channel jigs. Then rearrange both adjustable locator pins in order to stop the workpiece from coming out. Next, tighten the both screw clamp on the side of the channel jig wall. The last step is lift the lever toggle clamp up to push the workpiece into the inside. Now, this is the top view for our channel jigs. The drill bushing hole should be parallel to the hole on the workpiece for the purpose of the drilling process. So, this is the final product and the function of our channel jig. Thank you.
I will present the conclusion and recommendation. As a conclusion, the design of the jig and fixture play an important role in providing support for the manufacturing process of our workpiece. In our project, the channel jig that we choose to illustrate this project, this channel jig and fixtures, which are simple jig with a channel-like cross-section. Furthermore, the channel jig is applied in the process of mass production for the purpose of drilling flat plates. During assembly, a channel and a screw clamp are used to hold the workpiece in place, and a locator is placed on the component to show where it is in relation to the jig. To summarize, the objective of this project have been achieved. In the teaching section, we learn the concept of jig and fixture as well as their purpose in manufacturing industry. In addition, we use our knowledge to investigate the important element of our jig design. Teamwork was important for the successful completion of our project, as it is for the successful completion of any work. Moreover, we finished our project with 30 channel jig parts as the instruction for this activity.